Today we will create a chart on which positive and negative values have different colors, and we also have custom data labels. So we have to start by creating a chart, and we are just using this data, so months and balance for each month. And then we are going to insert tab, and we just need column chart, and on this column chart each column has the same color. But when we go Ctrl+1 to format data series options, we want to go fill and line, so the bucket, and here in the fill section we can select invert if negative checkbox, and then we can change color. This color right now is only one, so let's take this green one, and now we can see the different color for the negative values. So let's make it this red, and we can see with one data series we have different color for positive and negative numbers. Let's change some things here, and let's make this headers Ctrl+1, and we need labels to be on the lower part, and we want now to add data labels. And basic data labels will only take into account the values we are using, but we want to use the difference, nominal change between months, to add data labels. And we can from Excel 2013 just selecting the label options value from cells, and we just need to select those values, and based on the number of columns we need to select proper number of cells in this section, so in this range. So okay, and because for the first month we don't actually have a change, we can put here error, an A error, or we can just leave it cell empty. But in such a case we can see here a comma before the value, and it not look good, but we have to select this empty cell to match the balance, so the values on the chart. So how can we change those values to look more natural? And one way will be a bit, it will be simple, but it won't get the proper result, because we can just add here a separator new line, and then we only see numbers, we don't see this comma, but all other numbers are on the top. And in this situation, when we are choosing from values like labels, we cannot change the order of them. To change the order, we just should change the values we are generating with our calculations. So we can, for example, use if function and check if right now it should be if b4 equals an empty text string, and then we can have those values, and then we can just change values from this range to this range, and just like that we will have but we just have to uncheck checkbox for values, and now we have only labels from cells, and it's look better. And in the example at the start we can even modify our formula for data labels from cells to correspond to our needs, so we can even add more text to it to be more precise which number corresponds to what precise value.